So before we move on further and see how this AI chatbot can be created, let's see how this AI chatbot is going to work. So let's say I have a query which says, hi, I want to know more about the courses at Bright Future Institute. So I have entered my query, which is my message, and sent this. Now within seconds and in real time, this AI chatbot is going to reply me with all the courses they offer at Bright Future Institute. And yes, all of this is going to happen in backend, and within seconds and in real time, I am going to get a reply over here. So now you can see we have instantly received this reply. Over here it is sharing me all the courses they offer. So let's say I am interested in MBA, so I'm going to copy this MBA and send this MBA that I'm interested in MBA. And once again, within seconds and in real time, it is going to reply me and give me the details related to MBA. Further, if I want to ask about the admission process and I ask about the same, it is going to reply me related to same. So you must be wondering how this AI chatbot knows the exact price, exact courses we offer, eligibility, duration, and all the details about my own institute. Because I have created this knowledge base and I have uploaded this, and using this knowledge base only, this AI chatbot is answering so accurately. Not only this, let's say I'm going to ask a FAQ from this knowledge base. So this is the FAQ. When does the admission process start? So let's ask this FAQ, and the answer to this question is admission usually starts in April every year. So within seconds and in real time, it is going to reply me same over here, as you can see. So yes, this is the amazing AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this AI chatbot, then watch this tutorial till the end. So now you have seen the proper working of this AI chatbot. Now let's see how this AI chatbot can be created. So to create this, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can create this AI chatbot for free and try it for free today. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan for Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. You can use this code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the most important window. First of all, log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard. Now make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If not, you have to add your WhatsApp number. Just click on this add WhatsApp number button. If you want a complete tutorial, a detailed and a complete tutorial related to how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I have already added my WhatsApp number, so let's move on further from the left end of the side. As you can see, over here are all the features of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn about any one of these detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards all of these is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Today we're going to use this AI assistant. So let's go on this AI assistant. Once we're on this AI assistant, over here you have to click on this add AI assistant button. Name your assistant and then click on this add AI assistant button. A window something like this will appear in front of you. After this window appear, you have to enter the instructions. So you have two options. The first option is you can select the custom prompt over here and give custom instructions related to your own institution or your own organization. So you can click on this custom prompt and give a custom instruction right over here. To help you, we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, and so on. So what you can do is you can select any one of this example and the instructions will be added automatically. If you want, you can definitely edit these instructions. Otherwise, you can keep it as same and move on further. The next which we have is this temperature. So over here you can set how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So I'm going to keep the temperature as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now we have to select the AI to use and the model over here. Now it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, open your OpenAI API key page. You have to just log in inside this and click on this create new secret key button. Now you have to name the key, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created. Then what you have to do is just copy the key and paste it right over here inside your AI assistant. After you paste the key right over here, click on this connect and this API key will be added. It is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So let's move on further. The next is this AI assistant settings. You can add the header message, you can add the footer message. So you just have to type the message and automatically it will be added. The maximum characters are 60 over here which are allowed it. This header and the footer are the text to append at the top and the bottom of the message. Alright, so let's move on further. The next is the stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords, and in order to add these keywords you have to type the keyword like this and then press enter to add it. It is very important that you type the keyword and then press enter, because if you don't press enter, the keyword will not be added. The next which we have is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant API key fails to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. Now we have this fallback message. So you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. What you can do is you can add your support email address over here in this message, so that if the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly, the user can contact you on Gmail, and automatically if they have some emergency you can talk to them on Gmail also. Now you're going to see we have completed this instructions. Let's go towards this knowledge source. So like I showed you in the starting of this video that AI was answering so accurately because of this knowledge base which I have created related to my business. And over here I have included all the details like who we are, our mission, programs and courses offered, PG programs, professional certification programs and the admission process, required documents for admission and all the details. You have to make sure you include all these details right over here. After including all these details, you have to jot down these details in a Google document, then go on this file, download this in TXT or PDF format. Both the formats are supported, but I'll suggest you download this in TXT format because TXT is preferred. Because for PDFs we have no page limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDFs which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. That's why I'll also suggest you go for TXT format. Just click on this choose a file button and over here you can choose a file. What you have to do is you have to go towards this downloads and this is the file, so simply upload it right over here. Once you receive the vector ID, the proof of the successful uploading, you can also see the time and the date on which this file was uploaded. Then you can move on further towards this assistant interface. So it is asking me for the heading name. So as you can see that this is the heading names. So you can just enter this, which will be your brand name. Once you edit something on the left hand of the site, it will also be edited on the right hand of the site. Same goes for the subheading over here. Now we have this initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. To enter this initial message, type the initial message and then press enter to add this initial message. It is very important that you press enter, otherwise the message won't be added. It is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So select whether you want to show this label or not. Keep it as enable if you want to show this, otherwise disable it right from here. Now this is footer text and footer link, so you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy. If you add the footer link, the text will turn into a link, otherwise it will remain a plain text, something like this. The next which we have is this user first message. So this message will be sent on WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. So you can change this to according to your own choice. I'm going to keep it as hey. You can customize this according to your own choice. Now let's move on further towards the next, which is this styling. So where you can style your WhatsApp chatbot, you can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the text colors, background colors and much more. You can just style this WhatsApp chatbot as you want. After styling this WhatsApp chatbot, just switch on this button and click on this save AI assistant. This is going to save this AI chatbot and make it ready to run. Once this AI chatbot is ready to run, how can you use it for your business? For that, you have to go towards this embedded. Once you're on this embedded, you're going to get the script. What you have to do is you just have to copy the script and paste it on your website. Then this AI chatbot will be added on your website. Once this AI chatbot is added on your website, and whenever someone visits your website, they'll click on this chat with us button. And once they click on this start chat button, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this message which is selected, which is hey, will be sent from them towards you on WhatsApp, and this AI chatbot is going to get activated and reply to them instantly. Further, if you want to assign this AI chatbot to particular contacts, go on this inbox section. Once you are on this inbox section, simply select the contact to whom you want to assign this AI chatbot. Switch on this choose AI assistant button, choose the AI assistant you want to assign, and now whenever this user is going to reply, this AI chatbot is going to reply. Further, if you want to assign this AI chatbot to multiple contacts at once, from the left end of the side, go on this settings and then inbox settings. Now you have to scroll and you're going to see the option of enable AI auto replies, and you just have to switch on this toggle button, select the contact list and the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. After this, if you want to learn how to create a contact list, a video tutorial dedicated towards this contact section is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and create your own. Now we have successfully completed this AI agent, so now go try this amazing AI agent for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, see you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.